Hi there and welcome back to VA Wonder. In this updated 2025 tutorial, I'll show you how to easily add special characters in Canva using a brand new app called Text Character Pro. My previous video on this topic helped over 35,000 of you, but Canva has come a long way since then. Let's explore the updated way to do it. If you enjoy Canva tutorials, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Open any Canva design where you would like to insert a special character. On the left-hand panel, go down to Apps and type in Text Character Pro. Use these categories to find the characters that you need. Let me show you how to use this. I'm going to use this recipe as an example. First, I want to update the ingredients of this recipe. So I'm going to copy my ingredients. I'm going to paste it here in the box on the left-hand side. Now I want to say half a tablespoon of cacao. So I will go here to General, put the cursor in front of the 1, click a half. So now the half sign will appear here, and then I can just delete my 1. So it's half a tablespoon of cacao. Let's do a quarter teaspoon of baking soda. So let's click on the quarter, add it in there. Now I will click Add to Design. Go back to your original text, right-click, copy style, click onto your new text, and Canva will transfer the old font and size to your new text. And now you can just replace it. So now you can see your special character here and here. Let me quickly show you another way. Here I want to type, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. I need the degrees Celsius sign. Let's go to Science. Here it is. I've clicked it over into the box. Let's add it to the design. I will again right-click here on the bottom, copy the style, paste the style onto my special character, and now I can just quickly copy it in here. What I really like about this app is that you can change the font, style, size, and color just like any regular text. I hope this tip will save you lots of time. If you haven't seen my previous video on how to add a special character, make sure to watch that next. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye-bye.